Here's a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Park Sense Park Assist, manual tilting steering column, keyless enter and go, voice activation, aluminum wheels, key fob activated rear windows, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Car and driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. The Jeep life fits your life. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.